Hey there everyone, Dr. Beth Westy here, and I wanted to pop on and talk about why you may gain weight right in your belly. So for a lot of women, it seems like it kind of comes out of nowhere and just there it is, this tire around your midsection, right? You're like, oh my gosh, I don't understand it. I didn't really do anything different. I didn't really change anything, but all of a sudden my belly is huge. My gut just grew and I didn't do anything. Sometimes it can be bloat, and a lot of women, I've had this conversation, I feel like, so much recently where we'll talk about digestive issues. I'll be like, oh, do you have digestive? No, I don't have digestive issues. I'll be like, okay, do you have any bloating? Oh yeah, I get bloated every day. I'm like, that's not normal. That's a problem, right? And so often the case is this, that you start the day, stomach is flat, but by the end of the day, you look like you're almost pregnant, right? Just because the belly gets so dang bloated. Yes, this is an issue, right? And this contributes to gaining weight right around your belly. Why does this happen, right? Well, there's two main reasons hormonally that we look at for when you're gaining weight in your belly. And it's estrogen and cortisol. Those are the number one, number two things, in no particular order here, that we need to target to really make sure you can not only get your metabolism working again, but also get rid of this weight around your midsection. If you are looking for more resources, looking for more help and guidance and everything, I'm going to put a link right in here for the next 12-week challenge. Waitlist for it is open right now. The registration only gets sent to people on the waitlist, and that gets sent December 18th. Once that registration link is sent out, it fills within about 24 hours. So you do not want to miss out on this amazing, amazing program. Again, this is something where this is the last round I'm doing of the 12-week as is. I'm going to be changing it, shifting things a little bit, starting in the new year. But for right now, do not miss out on the 12-week challenge. There's some amazing, amazing things. I'll be posting more testimonials from some of these gals that have just seen incredible things shift and change. Incredible things shift and change. I talked with a gal yesterday. It was amazing. She's like, I used to get all this cystic acne. That's cleared up. I just get a couple of little things, here and there, and they're no big deal. It's not that deep, cystic, painful acne. So my skin is better. I'm sleeping better. My energy is through the roof. I can work out every day now without feeling completely exhausted. And I'm losing weight. She goes, I'm losing inches, I'm losing pounds, and it feels almost easy because I'm eating, right? I'm not starving myself. And this is just fantastic. I can't believe it took me this long to really move forward with it like this, right? I talked to another gal, and again, she had some hormone issues, stress issues, things like that, started eating for her hormones in her cycle, right? I talk about these things. I talk more about eating for your hormones in your cycle in my book, The Female Fat Solution. And I also have a book, The Female Menopause Solution. These are on Amazon. And already losing a couple of inches and a few pounds just from eating for your hormones, right? And just getting started in a couple of weeks, right? It's not that uncommon that I hear these stories all the time from women in just getting started, because things just start to click with your body. When you work with how your body functions, right? Female physiology, amazing things happen from there, right? So you're getting belly gain, weight gain because of these hormonal issues, right? Now, we also do Dutch testing where I take a look at your hormones in detail, making sure I say, okay, what's going on there? Where are things off? How is your body processing things differently? If you have questions on Dutch, I have that on my website, which is drbethwesty.com, or you can send me a message. I can send you more info about Dutch testing. But we see in detail how your body is processing these hormones. Very, very informational, and not something you can know without getting this specific test, because we test through urine. It's different than a blood test. We test how your body processes everything. Yeah. So estrogen, what are some things, when you're getting that weight gain from estrogen, what are some things to look at? This is if you have hormone issues, cycle issues on top of this weight gain, right? If you have irregular periods, if they're really, really heavy, if you have clots, if you have mood swings, tenderness here, if you're like, I only feel normal like a couple of weeks out of the month, the other months I don't feel normal, what the heck? Estrogen can be one of the main culprits there, yeah. Other things like estrogen dominance. Estrogen dominance can lead to those symptoms. Plus, this is really fun, PCOS, endometriosis, other fibroids, things like that in your system. Yeah, it's a great time. Oh, that plus all that belly weight, right? Oh, yay! No, not fun, not fun. This is why in the 12-week, we work on detoxing estrogen from your body, right? Getting your system to work better. So this is not something that hangs out, right? If you've ever done a clean eating program and felt like, God, I feel good. Maybe I lost a few pounds, but man, as soon as I went right back to eating normal, it came right back again. Yeah, because you didn't actually deal with the estrogen issue that was there. Right? I know. This is why we do this in the 12-week challenge, because it changes everything. Again, link in the comments there to get on the wait list. The next hormone here, the other culprit, cortisol. Cortisol, stress hormone. Yes. Now, you should have a certain amount of cortisol in your system, right? Your adrenals make your cortisol. You should have a certain amount there. Yeah, right. You need to have some. Right? But it's like it's like the three bears. You don't want too much and you don't want too little. It's got to be just right. And then everything works well with your cortisol. When you have too much or too little, that's where you get that tire right around your midsection. Yes. Other things that come along with this. Oh yeah, just like slows down your metabolism. Just, presses the brakes on the metabolism. You're not going anywhere with that. So again, these are things. You cannot eat cleaner to fix this. You have to target your adrenals, get the right rest, get the right protocol in to help restart your adrenals. Yeah, just eating more kale and avocados is not going to do it. That would be great. That would be, I'll be honest, that would be great if that's how it worked. That would be awesome. Yeah. But it's not, right? So you got to work with your system to help restart this. This is also a protective reaction in your system, right? When the female body is under stress, our bodies are naturally fat storing as it is. So the more stress we're under, boom, fat storage kicks into gear. Great. I can't tell you how many women I have chatted with in the past 2 weeks alone that cortisol is not only causing this protective weight gain, it causes all these other things to happen in your system. Your hair starts to fall out, your nails, skin changes, getting different rashes in different part of your body. We're like, what the heck is this? Stress. It's just stress. Yay. Yeah. The other thing that it can lead to is other nutrient depletion, meaning your system will burn through vitamins, nutrients faster than it normally does because it needs to, right? It needs that energy. It needs that pick-me-up. Other fun things too is that if your cortisol levels and your pattern is off throughout the day, it can mess up your circadian rhythms at night, disrupting your sleep, which means if you're like, oh, well, if I need to get the right stuff in and then rest, oh, great, I'll just sleep a lot. But your sleep gets disrupted because your cortisol levels are off. Ah, what? I know. We have to work really specifically with helping your system sleep and rest and repair at night and then be awake and alert during the day. For a lot of women, it's the opposite. You're exhausted during the day and then you fall asleep at night, but then as soon as you wake up in the middle of the night, you're like, your brain goes bing and starts going. And you're like, okay, no, calm down, stop. It's working with these cortisols. That makes the biggest difference, right? So you can have one or the other, or if you're super lucky, both issues going on at the same time, leading to that weight gain in your system. And it is weight that will not budge, no matter how much you work out, no matter how clean you eat, all these other things. It is not about calories at this point. It is about how your body works and functions, right? And this is why I do these videos. This is why I love educating women on, hey, this is how your body works and functions and how we can work with your physiology to get and keep a better result. Yes. Your health is cumulative, right? And your hormones affect every single system in your body. So if you are doing, a healthy eating program, great, but if it's not addressing these hormones, you're really missing out on some big key factors that are going to allow you to get the best results and keep them. So that's what I got for you guys tonight. Please let me know if you have any other questions, need any other resources. A couple other things for you to check out are my podcast, The Female Health Solution, and then my YouTube channel, which is called Dr. Beth Westy. You can subscribe to that to stay updated on all the videos that I have coming out. So let me know if you need anything else, if you have any questions on Dutch testing or anything else, any other information that I have. Yeah, let me know. Otherwise, have a great rest of your night, and I will see you guys later.